It's like the thing you don't want to do. It's the task you don't want to check off. It's the thing that's hard, but come to find out it's hard anyway. It's all hard. It's just choosing your heart and then realizing that by doing so, at the end of that, you're gonna come out better. And that's what I want for you. Day 75. I promised you an update. So here it is. Day 75. I first started I gave you a video around day 3. I think it was maybe day 4, but it was 3 degrees and my eyelids were frozen shut and I had to put my glove on because my hand, I couldn't feel my fingertips anymore. But now it's April 2nd or 3rd, 2nd, I forget. But today's the last day. I 75 hard and my hand is freezing and it's rated sideways, 37 degrees. But it's kind of funny because the way I go into it is kind of the way to go out. It's the whole idea that it's raining outside. It's the middle of the day. I didn't want to do a walk, and yet here I am. It's my last required, I'll say it that way, 45-minute outdoor exercise. As a reminder, during 75 hard, it's 2 exercises a day, each 45 minutes. And the second one or not the second one, but one of them has to be outdoors. So here's the qualification for that. I'm about halfway into it. I thought I'd drop a quick video for you for an update. How did it go? As people were asking me, how'd it go? How you doing? What'd you learn? What'd you come away with? So let me give you just 3 or 4 things that I can center in on, make this video short so that you stay through to the end and don't bounce off because I just rambled on forever. So let me just give you the high level, okay? So high level is this. There's unintended consequences, which means I wasn't aware of some things that I would come away with. And I would say that those are the rapid weight loss. I had a goal of shedding 10 pounds or so. And at the end, as of today, I'm down 35 pounds from when I started. So I was at 206, 205 and a half, 206, and now I'm at 170. That was an unintended, I guess you'd call it a positive outcome of 75 hard. I didn't know that would happen. And I love it. I feel good. I went for a run last week. It was 6.5 miles. And that's the first time I had ran that type of distance. We've done 5Ks every year, but I just kept going. I was like Forrest Gump. I just didn't stop until I saw the ocean. No, I'm just kidding, but it felt good. And so now I'm encouraged to keep on running. And I'm going to do that. So there's a positive for you. But my clothes don't fit me. I get to go out and buy a new wardrobe. And I'm feeling good about that. I'm at my fight weight. I haven't weighed this since 1999. I found an old driver's license from when I was living in California, and it said 170 on it. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? That feels pretty good. So there's that. What happens with that then? I have more energy. My energy's up because I am sleeping like a baby. My wife's happy because I'm not snoring. She noticed that about 17 times during the 75 hard, which she's been doing with me. So it's been helpful to have her alongside of me and help me with meal prep and things like that too. Encouragement. So better sleep, higher energy as a result of the weight loss and the working out, which means I show up better, which means I'm getting more done. I have mental clarity. I'm rapid fire right now. But these are things that might be a little less tangible, but I can tell you that my business is better, my relationships are better, I'm calmer. I've read more. I read, I don't know, 750 pages, but I tend to read more than the requirement. So I probably 1,000 pages. That's pretty good. Which means I have 1,000 pages. I have 1,000 pages of personal growth, and I pick up books that I haven't read in years on my shelf, blow the dust off, and I find myself getting new information from the same material I read 10 years ago. So that's been really helpful. I love it. I put into place several new practices in my business, pushing my coaching program along a lot faster, as I mentioned in my previous video. So feeling good. I'm glad I did it. I have zero regrets in doing it. My biggest fear, I guess you will, is that I would have to take time away from work. And, because of the 45 minutes, it's, an hour and a half working out a day. I mean, when you say yes to one thing, you're saying no to something else. But come to find out that yes actually allowed me to increase my energy. And when you change a negative habit, when you replace it with a positive one, that's when amazing things actually start to happen. So what I mean by that is I replaced going home and eating a big heavy lunch with working out. You know, doing a walk outside is mostly what I do during the day, so I'm not sweating like crazy. I get that big workout in the morning, and then my walk during the day. It's been pretty amazing. And I'll just leave you with this: something you've thought about doing. It's no different than anything else. My biggest fear was losing time from work, but I end up making up more time because of an energy boost, and that's pretty big. That's a big deal because regardless of what we're doing, if we're showing up better versions of ourselves, it may not be my best self if I'm not feeling well, if I'm sick or down, but at least giving it my best shot that day. I feel like I've given it my best shot 75 times over the last 75 days. So check. Now what? I don't know. I'm definitely gonna hold on to many of the new habits I've created. I think the big question people ask me is, are you gonna have drinks? I probably will. We're going to spring break tomorrow. I'm going to St. Croix, so you know it'll be by the time you're watching this, we'll probably already have flown off. But I can tell you that regardless of what happens there, everything will be shifted because I've developed really positive habits now, and I intend to keep all of them to some extent. And so my relationship with alcohol, first of all, is going to change because I don't know. I feel too good to let that go. And I like that. So I feel like I'm showing up better, faster, stronger, all the good things, all the best to you. And I wanted to just give you a quick update here. I'm having a hard time talking because I'm outside and freezing, so it's all good. That's a part of the journey. Hard things. Do hard things. I started you off with that video, and I'm going to leave you with that here. It's kind of the secret sauce. It's like the thing you don't want to do. It's the task you don't want to check off. It's the thing that's hard, but come to find out it's hard anyway. It's all hard. It's just choosing your heart and then realizing that by doing so, at the end of that, you're gonna come out better. And that's what I want for you. It's what I want for me. It's what I want for you. Everybody, take care. Have an amazing day, and hope to see you real soon.